Like now, I think that our Honorable Vice Chancellor, respected Honorable Vice Chancellor, um, all my deans, colleagues, administration, and my dear students. We've gathered here to celebrate the Republic Day. And as Sir has already said that the Constitution came into existence. And I think we all know that on the Constitution Day we had launched a awareness program for our Constitution. Our research coordinator had launched, and very successfully we got a certificate also from Supreme Court. The objective behind that occasion was to make all the Indians, especially our students, aware of the Constitution, our rights, and everything. But we all know our rights. With the rights come our responsibility also. As Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir has said, that lot of responsibility lies on the shoulders of the youth today, our students. Because if you want, the real meaning of celebrating this day is not singing a song, patriotic song, posting the black flag, unfurling the black flag, and then we forget the next day. No, we have to constantly remind ourselves what are our responsibilities. If you really want to be patriotic in the real sense, the patriotism has to be within you. And that should start from this institution itself where you are studying. How you have to think, like VC sir has said, you have to think how you are going to take this university up. Because the university, any educational institution is not made of this building. It is made by our faculty members and our dear students. So students, you have lot of responsibilities, and if you really want to contribute, like sir has said, innovate, think out of the box. You know, it is not a big thing to have a patent. Patent is nothing that, oh, हम लोग नहीं कर सकते, ये नहीं हो सकता. Patent is what? You see any problem at home, anything, and you find a solution to that problem, the patent is ready.
Jai Hind, sir. Candidate Lungan Nursery. Assam, sir. Yes.
Jai Hind, sir. Candidate Vikram Paul.
Jai Hind, sir. Cadet Rinki Marco. Jai Hind, sir. Cadet Savitri Thakur.
Jai Hind, sir. Cadet Sangram Ravi.
Jai Hind, sir. Krishna Kumar Sen. Cadet Krishna.
Jai Hind, ma'am. Senior Under Officer Aman Rajawat.
Jai Hind, sir. Cadet Akash Rai.
Jai Hind, sir.
Jai Hind, ma'am. Cadet Lungan Nursery.
Jai Hind, ma'am. Cadet Vikram Paul.
Jai Hind, sir. Cadet Sujay Surya.
Jai Hind, ma'am. Cadet Rinki Marco. Jai Hind, sir.
Jai Hind, sir. Cadet Surya.
Jai Hind, sir. Cadet Savitri.
Jai Hind, ma'am. Cadet Sangram Ravi.
Jai Hind, ma'am. Cadet Krishna.
Jai Hind, sir. Cadet Sangram Ravi.
Jai Hind, sir.
Jai Hind, ma'am.
Cadet Mahindra. Jai Hind, sir. Cadet Ajay Prajapati.
आईसीसी सॉन्ग शुरू कर। हम सब भारतीय हैं, हम सब भारतीय हैं, हम सब भारतीय हैं, हम सब भारतीय हैं।